Hi dear hiking and backpacking friends, it's Hendrik and this is a short channel trailer update. You might have recognized that over the past year I also have been posting my nerd content on this channel, and I finally got around to create a channel only for all the miniature terrain and tabletop stuff, and it's linked up in the right corner or in the description and at the end of this video. So if you're interested in me geeking out during this pandemic and also in the future, I suggest you follow that channel, because on this channel I only will be posting outdoor content. I have like 4 or 5 really cool videos coming up really soon, so it's definitely worth to stay subscribed over here too. So this is just a super short update. I hope if you are interested in the nerd content that you head over to Skulls and Paints and subscribe over there, and over here you can just keep subscribed if you want to see my outdoor content. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching, and remember, life is better outside, also during this pandemic.